Okay students, so 307 page number. All of you open the textbooks. 307 page. 307 and seventh question. Seventh. This is applications of trigonometry exercise 12.2 seventh problem. Seventh problem, you all read it, and even I said you try to draw the diagram, a rough diagram you try in the rough notebook or in the rough paper. Two poles of equal heights. See how I am drawing the diagram. Be careful. This is the ground. This is the ground. On the ground, two pillars are standing. First pillar, second pillar. So two pillars, first and second. Two pillars are standing. See the textbook. So two poles of equal height are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road. This is the road. A to C is the road. Don't write like this. This is the road. A to C is the road. On one side there is one, what is it? Pole. This is one pole. This is another pole. Two poles are standing on opposite sides of the road. One side of the road, one pole. Another side of the road, another pole. Two poles are standing on either side of the road. Which is the road here? AC is the road. This is one pole. This is another pole. Both are equal heights. Two poles of equal heights are standing on opposite to each other. One pole this side, one pole opposite side. Opposite to each other on either side of the road. On opposite sides of the road. So this is one, this side one pole, opposite side second pole. Opposites on each side of the road, which is 120 feet wide. See, the road is, the road width is 120 feet. Road is 120 feet width, 120 feet wide. This is the road. What is the width of the road? 120 feet. Road width is 120 feet, and this side one pole, that side one pole, and the pole height is not given, but two poles of equal height. Height is not given, but it is said that they are equal height. Equal height means, let us take one pole as h. The other pole height also h, because equal height. Both the poles are equal in height. Equal heights. So both the poles are equal in height, standing on opposite sides of the road, which is 120 feet wide, up to here over. From a point between them on the road, there is a point on the road, say P or E, for example, any point, any notation. from this point, it is not the midpoint. It is not given that it is a midpoint. Somewhere in between these two poles, we are standing here. From this point, the angles of elevations of the tops of the poles are 60 degrees and 30 degrees. From this point, we observe say from this point we observe this first pole, say 60 degrees. Any side you can take. One side 60 degrees, one side 30 degrees. Any side. This pole also we observe. From here, same point we have seen both the poles. From here, we observe the top of this first pole. What is the angle of elevation? 60 degrees. From the same point, we observe the top of the second pole, the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Poles are equal height. Why the difference in angles? This is not the midpoint. If it is a midpoint, angles will be same. So this is not the midpoint. Somewhere here. Because this angle is more means it will be this side. So when we move towards the pole, angle will increase. So angle will increase like this. That means, so this is near to this point. So from here, this angle is 60 degrees, this angle is 30 degrees. Clearly diagram is drawn. AB is a pole, CD is a pole, AC is the road. What is the width of the road? 120 feet. This is the observing point. From here we are standing. We observe the top of this pillar, this pole, 60 degrees elevation. Same point we observe the second pole, 30 degrees elevation. The question is, find the height of the poles. What is the height of the pole? If you find one pole height, second also same, because both are equal height, no? If this is h, that is also h. And another question is, distance of the point from the poles. So what is this distance? It is not the midpoint. So total distance is 120. Total distance is 120. But this distance we don't know. This distance we have to find. This distance we have to find. If we know this distance, we can tell this also. Because total 120, no? 120 minus x. 120 minus x. See here, total width of the road is 120. Let this distance be x. Distance from the pole to the observing point. First pole to the observing point x. If this is x, what will be the remaining? 120 minus x. So this is the diagram. First understand the diagram. Don't write anything. Now I am giving the notes. Even if you understand the notes also, you will get complete idea about the diagram. Write down. Let AB comma CD. Let AB comma CD be the poles. What is this AB? Pole. What is this CD? Pole. Let AB comma CD be the poles. Let AB comma CD be the poles. Let AC be the road. AC be the road. E be the observing point. E be the observing point. E be the observing point. Complete diagram is introduced. E be the observing point. Right. Let AB is equal to CD is equal to H. I am taking AB as H, then CD also H, because both are equal. let AB is equal to CD is equal to H. Right. Let AB is equal to CD is equal to H. Height of the pole. Next. AC is equal to 120 given. What is AC? 120 given. AC is equal to 120. Let AE is equal to X. AE is equal to X. AE is equal to X. Then CE is equal to 120 minus X. Like this. Let AB comma CD be the poles, first introduction. AC be the road, second introduction. E be the observing. From here we are observing. So let AB is equal to CD is equal to H. AC is equal to 120 given. Let AE is equal to X. Then CE will be 120 minus X. Over. Figure is over. Now, starting the problem. We have to find H value, X value. Both the values we have to find. Now see. From adjacent figure, in triangle, left side right angle triangle. ABE. Don't write. ABE triangle. See. ABE triangle. In triangle ABE. ABE. We are dealing with which sides? For this angle, what is the name of this side? What is the name of this side? Opposite side. What is the name of this side? Adjacent side. Opposite by adjacent, what is the trigonometric ratio? Tan. We are using three ratios: sine, cos, tan. Opposite to adjacent is tan. See here. Don't write. Theta is 60 degrees. Opposite is AB, adjacent is AE. That is nothing but H by X. You can directly write or let us write one more step. Opposite is H. I will substitute H next in the next step. Opposite is AB, adjacent is AE. Tan 60 is root 3, AB is H, AE is X. Cross multiply, H is equal to root 3 into X first equation. Root 3 into X first equation. Students, now other right angle triangle. So we can't do anything, leave it, because from one equation we can't find XH, two values we can't find, leave it. Let us take the second triangle also. Don't write. In triangle, what is the name of this triangle? CDE. This triangle. CDE. Don't write. Same. Tan theta 30 is equal to tan 30 is equal to opposite by adjacent. What is the opposite? CD. Tan definition. Opposite by adjacent. CD by CE. Tan definition. Tan 30 is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is CD. Adjacent is CE. Tan 30 value, see the table, 1 by root 3. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3. See the tables. CD is H. Directly you can write, but I am writing some extra steps. H by CE is 120 minus X, because total 120. multiply. Root 3 into h is equal to 1 into 120 minus x, 120 minus x. Root 3 into h is equal to 1 into 120 minus x, 120 minus x. We got another equation. Now, from these two, combine them, get x value and h value. In place of h, I will write root 3x. See here. From 1, root 3 into h value is root 3x. H value is root 3x. H value is root 3x. Root 3 into h is equal to 120 minus x. H is equal to root 3x. H is equal to root 3x. H value root 3x from equation 1. In place of h, what I am writing? Root 3x. So that this is x, this is also x. Only one value we can find easily. H is equal to root 3x. Root 3 same. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Root 3 into root 3, root 9. Root 9 is 3x. Minus x this side plus x is equal to 120. 4x is equal to 120. X is equal to 120 by 4 is 30. We got x value. Next. H also we have to find. We have to find x value and h value both. H is equal to how much? Root 3x first equation. Root 3 into x we got now 30. So h is equal to 30 root 3 feet over. We got h and x. So I will give the notes in the last one. In the last, let us write full step. Let height of each pole is equal to 30 root 3 feet. And observing point is at a distance of 30 feet from first pole. This is 30. This will be 90. So 90 from this or 30 from this. Anyone you can write. I will give the notes in the last. So once again you see all of you, because these are difficult problems. AB and CD are two poles of equal height. If one height is h, other height also h. There is a road of 120 feet width. One side of the road, one pole, another side of the road, another pole. So this is the observing point. It is not the midpoint. We are not standing at middle. Somewhere we are standing. First we observe this, the angle is 60. We observe this, angle is 30. Let this is equal to x. Remaining will be 120 minus x over. Now this side triangle tan 60 is equal to h by x. Tan 60 is equal to h by x. Tan 60 is root 3. H is equal to root 3x. Tan 30 is equal to h by 120 minus x. Tan 30 is equal to h by 120 minus x. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. H root 3 is equal to 1 into 120 minus x, 120. H is equal to root 3x. Root 3 into root 3, 3x. Minus x this side plus x. X plus 3x, 4x. 4 will be in the division. 120 by 4 is 30. X value 30. Substitute here. Root 3x. X 30 means 30 into root 3. 30 root 3 feet. Right. Copy it. Any doubt? Students following or not? Therefore, height of each pole is 30√3 feet. Answer. That is the question. Another question is, where is the observing point? What is this distance? 30. So observing point is a distance of 30 feet from the first pole. Distance of observing point from first pole, 30 feet. First pole, why I am calling this as a first pole? Angle is first angle. What angle is given? 60 degrees given first. Next 30 degrees. So same order. 60 degrees means first we have seen this pole. So this distance is 30. So this distance, we can write this distance also. 30 feet from one pole. What will be remaining distance? 30 means 90 feet from the other pole. Both you can write. Height of each pole is equal to 30√3 feet. Answer. Distance of the observing point from the first pole is equal to 30 feet. Understand this problem? Students, this is in the textbook answer, this is simplified, but no need. Every time I am saying same, so you can leave it, but in the textbook answer, sometimes it is giving like that only, but sometimes it is simplified. So 30 into √3 value is 1.73. √3 value 1.732. 30 into √3 value is 1.732. So if you multiply, we will get in decimals. So textbook, this answer is given. Actually, it should be given like this only, but √3 value is substituted. This is √3 value we use many times. So in that case, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21. So in decimals the answer is 51.96. Like that also you can simplify or you can leave it. If you don't remember this √3 value, that you can leave it. That is also correct, no problem. Right. This is 30 feet. This is 30√3 feet. √3 is 1.732. 1.732 into 30, 51.96. All of you read 8th question. Read 8th question. over height of each pole is equal to 51.96 feet. Distance of the observing point from the first pole is equal to 30 feet. Sometimes if you are not able to copy within the given time, no problem. First listen, understand, then you can copy it afterwards. After this class also you can go through the video and you can copy it. Students, 8th question. Actually these complementary problems are deleted for this annual exam. So this year annual exam, these complementary problems are deleted. So you round it. 8th question is deleted. Not there for this annual exam. You round, all of you round the 8th question. It is deleted for this annual exam. But I will explain. See here. The angle of elevation of top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meters and 9 meters. See here. This is the ground. This is the tower. AB is the tower. Let height is equal to h. Not given. Height is not given. Let tower AB is equal to h. So the angle of elevation of the tower from 2 points. From here, from 2 points, one is at 4 meters, one is at 4 meters and another is at 9 meters, and not here from 9 meters, from the pole only. Both the distances are measured from the pole. See, AB is the pole, we have to find its height. Let height is equal to h. At a distance of 4 meters, we observed it. At a distance of 9 meters, we observed it. We observed from 2 points. First point is 4 meters distance. Second point is 9 meters distance. From this point we observed. From this point also we observed. The angles are complementary. Angles are not given. First time in this total exercise, angles are not given. So they are complementary. So because the complementary concept is removed for this annual exam, this year annual exam, the third exercise, trigonometry third exercise is removed. So therefore this problem is also removed. But I will explain. Complementary means if sum is 90 degrees, they are called complementary. 60 and 30 are complementary because the sum is 90 degrees. Suppose if one angle is 30, other angle will be 90 minus 30. Complementary means sum should be 90. Suppose this is say theta. We don't know the angles. If this is theta, this will be 90 minus theta because sum is 90. If this is theta, this is 90 minus theta. Like this. Complementary means if one angle is theta, other will be 90 minus theta. Right. Let AB be the pole. Let AB be the pole. Let AB be the pole. Let C comma D are. Let C comma D be the observing points. Let AB be the pole. C comma D be the observing points. From here we observe, from here we observe. C comma D be the observing points. Given AC is equal to 4. AC is equal to 4. AD is equal to 9. Let pole height is h. Let the height of the pole is equal to h. These two angles are complementary. So therefore, if this is theta, this will be 90 minus theta. Let angle ACB. This angle is called angle ACB. Let angle ACB is equal to theta. Then what will be this angle? ADB. 90 minus theta. Why 90 minus theta? Complementary. If one sum should be 90 degrees. If this is 10, this will be 90 minus 10, 80. If this is 20, this is 90 minus 20, 70. Like that, complementary means one is theta, other will be 90 minus theta. That is the definition of complementary. I gave the definition in the trigonometry. Now, smaller right angle triangle. This right angle triangle I am taking from adjacent figure. Don't write. In triangle ABC, don't write. ABC triangle, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Theta means theta only. Angle we don't know. Opposite is h, adjacent is 4. H by 4. Leave it. Now, other right angle triangle. What is other right angle triangle? This is not right angle triangle. This small is not right angle triangle. Total is right angle triangle. ABD, total triangle. Total triangle is right angle. ABD, total triangle. Same tan we are using. Tan, but theta means 90 minus theta. Theta means here 90 minus theta. Opposite AB, adjacent AD. Opposite is AB, adjacent is AD. For 90 degrees, see the third chapter, trigonometry third chapter formulas. For 90 degrees, we will get co. Tan changes to cotangent. Tan 90 minus theta formula, cot theta. AB is H. AD is 9. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to opposite AB by adjacent AD. H by 9. First case it was H by 4 is equal to tan theta. Leave it. H by 9 is equal to tan 90 minus theta. For 90 degrees tan changes to cot. It is our formula. Now, I am multiplying these two. Simple step, I am multiplying these two. Tan theta into cot theta. Multiply. What is right side? H by 4 into H by 9. I am multiplying these two. Tan into cot. Why I am multiplying? Because cot and tan are reciprocal to each other. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Cot theta is adjacent by opposite. Reciprocal. So cot is equal to 1 by tan. H into H, H square by 4 into 9, 36. I am multiplying these two. Tan into cot is equal to H by 4 into H by 9. H into H, H square 4 into 9, 36. Why I multiplied? Because cot is equal to 1 by tan. Tan cancel. H square is equal to 36 into 1, 36. H is equal to root 36 is equal to 9 meters. Answer. Height of the pole is 9 meters. Oh. Right. So, 3 formulas are used. 4 formulas. Tan, 3 formulas. Tan is equal to opposite by adjacent. Here I used and here also I used. 2 times I used the tan theta formula. Second is for 90 degrees tan changes to cot. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Trigonometry third chapter formulas you just check. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. You write the formula. formula. This is the second formula I use. I am multiplying these two. Tan into cot is equal to h by 4 into h by 9. Cot is equal to 1 by 10. Another formula I applied. Cot is equal to what? I wrote 1 by 10. This is also formula. Cot is equal to 1 by 10. I wrote second. Another formula I applied. Tan. So 1. 36 into 1. 36. H square is equal to 36. H is equal to root 36 is 9 over. So height of the pole is equal to 9 meters. One formula I applied. This formula also I applied. Right. Students, complete this and let us conclude this. So 8 problems are over. 2 problems left. Tomorrow we can complete. And somebody asking some doubts. So actually I did not left any problem, but even any doubt you can ask. So I will clarify.